What? Oh, yes! Hey babes, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing a Amazon unboxing. My favorite videos, to be honest. I am really excited to open this package up because I had the hardest time deciding what paper towel holder I wanted, and I found one that I think is gonna work perfect, but I have some doubts that the little spout where the handle, the little spout where the paper towels are gonna come out from is too small. So let's get in here and see what I got from Amazon. Everything will be linked down below in my Amazon storefront. Everything I purchased from Amazon, I think I add to my Amazon storefront, so check out the description box below. They jam-packed this box. I think in here is my paper towel holder, but let's start with this bad boy here first. These are shoe covers. If you guys ask your guests to take their shoes off before lying on your lashing bed, I use a recliner and I require my guests to take their shoes off. You should definitely have some of these. Some guests unfortunately don't want to take their shoes off, so having these is going to protect your lashing bed and not make it uncomfortable for your guests if they do not want to take their shoes off. I have them like this on the side of my recliner. When my kids are in here, that's like their job. They know to grab a pair and just roll it up and put them here, so they're nice and ready for a guest that doesn't want to take their shoes off. They'll just get one and they are ready to pop them on. The next pink thing in here is dental bibs. I always order dental bibs when I order anything on Amazon just to have plenty in stock. I use these as head covers. Before I used to use doggy pads. I don't know if you're an OG subscriber, but I did show that hack. When I showed my recliner, I believe, I was like, I use doggy pads, I cut them in half, but now I am using dental bibs because they come nice and ready for you. You don't have to cut them. They are nice and folded, so it's easy for you to just grab one and go. I have seen nail techs use this as SMAs. I personally just use them as head pads, but they come in different colors, so go check them out if you guys are not using dental bibs as head covers. It's a must-have item in the lash studio for me. Okay, so I did not know this was gonna come in pink packaging, but I do not mind it. I went on Amazon to look for Nichiban tape, and I used to buy a huge box of Nichiban tapes, and now they're not there anymore. They're like gone. It used to be a good like 24 pack, but I found this alternative, which was 6 packs of Nichiban tape for $6. Yeah, it's Nichiban tape, and they just come individually wrapped on Amazon. You guys, if you go to your favorite lash website, let's say Untamed Artistry, 𝑽𝑰𝑫𝑬𝑒, lots of different lash brands carry this tape. They call it sensitive tape, and they sell them by roll, so you can purchase one for $7 on their website. So if you don't want to go on Amazon and purchase this pack, but I just love Nichiban tape. It's the only tape I use here in the studio, and it works phenomenally. I should definitely be doing a video to show you guys how I use Nichiban tape, because I use it to tape down the gel pads. I use it to pull back layers, to stretch out the eyelid. Love Nichiban tape. The next thing I see are these adhesive cups. These are by far my favorite cups to use for my adhesive. I didn't realize that it was gonna come with tape. Let me open it up. This tape looks so wonky donkey, y'all. What the heck? What? Let me show you guys. What is this tape? It looks so bad. What? Why would they send me this? It looks like it's not even like adhering to itself anymore. Let's open her up and just for the shits and giggles. What? Oh yes! Oh my god, I was about to be so upset with this. So I love this. You guys need to go check out these adhesive cups like right now, because I put them on my lash palette. I use the Borby Bubbles, which are a little pricey, and these are just like little Borby Bubbles. Look at that. So they're like little circle stickers, and you just use let me get a little cup out. That is hilarious. I was like, why did they send me this nasty tape? But they're so smart. I love that. These are the cups, and I put a little Borby Bubble on the bottom of the cup and put it on my lash palette so it doesn't slide and fall off. I'm so glad I ordered this. What? I was like so sad. I was like, why did they send me this wonky donkey tape? And it's like little Borby Bubbles, so your little glue rings don't like fall all over the place. But the reason I love these is because the wells where you put your adhesive is really small. It's really tiny, so it keeps your adhesive very, very, very fresh. And anytime like you're doing mega volume and your lashes on the like little tip, they're not that snatched, you can just use the little wells on the side and slide it through, and boom, they get back to having a BBL. They get snatched, honey. So I really, really love these little glue cups. I'm so happy with this brand. I don't know who they are. They're Beauty by give me a second, my electrician's calling.
Jessica, buenas tardes.
Hola, buenas tardes. So I purchased some Refresh Optive. These are little eye drops that are in little single packets, and you can just give to your guest. Let me open them up. So if you're a guest, when you are done with the service, their eyes are a little dry, you just open one up like this. Let me show you. You just crack it and give it to your guests so their eyes can get nice and hydrated, and it won't be super dry, because you guys know the Cyanide acrylate in our adhesive absorbs moisture, and sometimes your guest opens their eyes and they're just like very dry and like don't feel comfortable. So giving them one of these is so refreshing and just like luxury. Another usual restock is these right here, which are lipstick applicators. That's what they are called, and I love these because the heads do not come off. I've purchased black ones in the past, which their little head does fall off super easily, and these glitter ones does not. I use these with the Cami Prep and Prime to cleanse the client's eyelashes before an appointment. I also can use these with Maven's the foam cleanser. So love these bad boys. Those are always in my Amazon cart, and I'm always repurchasing them because I use 2 per service, sometimes a couple more. Another thing that I purchased are these masks right here. When I was getting my nails done at the nail bar, my nail tech, she was using these masks, and I fell in love because they're just so freaking cute. I feel like they're not gonna mess up your makeup, and the best thing of all is that they are pink. So let me show you. Ooh, cute. It comes like already like this. So they come like this. Okay, this looks like a pad. And you just open her up like so, and you put her on. Okay, let me see. This is looking a little weird. Cute. Your lipstick is definitely not gonna get messed up on this. As a lash artist, I feel like we should always use masks, even if you feel like, oh, it's been a long time, COVID is here to stay, and you do not want to wear a face mask because you're like, it's not mandatory anymore. Use a face mask, girlfriend. You do not want your guests just feeling, you know, hot breath throughout the whole service on their forehead. So make sure to continue to use face mask forever. Last but not least, I'm gonna open my new paper towel holder. I'm so nervous. I hope it's everything I dreamed of, and I hope it works out because it's so freaking cute. So let's open her up. Let me see. And you know what? I've seen in my Amazon cart that the paper towels are not gonna get here until tomorrow. Okay. Oh, so pretty. Oh, I thought she was gonna fall. Okay, this is really nice and hefty. Like you guys can see on the top, I do not know if this opening right here is going to be big enough for paper towels to come out of. I feel like if you pull one out, because it's so small, the other ones are gonna go back in. Do you know what I'm talking about? I don't know, but you guys will know because there's gonna be an overlay if it works. But what I love about this is you guys will see my sink area come all together, but the theme in this studio is pink, black, gold, rose gold. You know what? I think I'm like straying away from rose gold, and it's mostly like white, black, gold and pink, you know. But oh my god, this is so cute. Okay, you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to go shop these items in my Amazon storefront linked down below. I feel like if you are going to purchase anything from today's video, definitely purchase the adhesive cups that come with the little 𝑽𝑰𝑫𝑬𝑶 stickers. I love them so much, and I know you will too, versus using an adhesive ring that's like right by your nose, and you know the fumes, you don't want them so close to your face. Having the adhesive ring on a lash palette a little bit further from you is going to be a game changer for you. Also, if you're using jade stones, the adhesive kind of like dries out super fast. Those cups keeps them nice and in a dome, keeps your adhesive fresh. So definitely go check that out. But other than that, if you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to share it with a friend. I'm sure your friend wants to see these lash items. They want to go in the Amazon store and purchase all this stuff. I know they do, so share this video with them. If you guys enjoyed, give this video a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down so I can know. Subscribe down below and turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified the next time I post a new video. And until then, bye my loves. Don't forget to watch 2 other of my videos before you head out. I think they're gonna be right here, and you can subscribe to my face over here. I love you. Bye.